Welcome back to Rising Voice English, everyone.
I'm Tom, and today we build English confidence.
I'm Anna, and I love steady progress.
Small steps can create strong results over time.
Today's lesson helps you stay focused and consistent.
Let's learn in a calm, clear, natural way.
Part 1. Why consistency matters. Because regular practice builds real language habits.
So, one small lesson matters?
Yes, small lessons become powerful daily progress.
That sounds easier than studying everything at once.
Exactly. Steady learning feels lighter and lasts longer.
Part 2. Daily English Habits.
Start with one short English session every day.
Should beginners choose the same time daily?
Yes, routine helps your brain stay ready.
What should they practice first?
Begin with listening, reading, and simple review. That sounds simple and realistic for beginners. Simple habits create strong learning momentum. Part 3. Building confidence.
Sometimes I feel unsure when learning English.
That feeling is completely normal for beginners.
How do I stay confident?
Focus on progress, not perfection.
That mindset feels much kinder.
Yes, confidence grows when you keep showing up.
Even imperfect practice still counts, right?
Absolutely. Every effort moves you forward.
Part 4. Listening and reading.
Listen to short English clips every day.
Should I listen slowly at first?
Yes, slow listening helps you catch meaning.
What about reading practice?
Read short passages with clear, simple language.
Should I translate difficult words?
Yes, understand meaning before moving ahead.
That makes learning feel less stressful.
Exactly. Clarity builds stronger memory. Part 5. Thinking in English.
Anna, how can I think in English?
Describe your day using simple English sentences.
Like, I am making coffee now?
Perfect. That builds natural thinking patterns.
Should I do this quietly during the day?
Yes, silent thinking still strengthens English skills.
That feels very practical and easy.
It is, and it works beautifully.
Part 6. Keeping the rhythm.
Learning English works best with steady rhythm.
So, I should avoid random study habits?
Yes, consistency gives your progress real direction.
What if I miss a day?
Just return the next day calmly.
That seems much healthier for learners.
Exactly. Progress continues when you keep going. Today's lesson made English feel more manageable. That is the Rising Voice English spirit. Clear, steady, and encouraging every day. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep rising. Thank you for watching with us today. Subscribe for more calm and powerful English lessons. We'll see you in the next lesson. Keep rising and stay consistent every day.